right, Andrew and I are heading out to the beach. Gonna hit the sand dunes and hit the lake if the water's okay with the sonic wake. Andrew and I are gonna walk over to the beach, take a dip, and rip around a little bit with this trolley wagon full of RC stuff.
Let's do it.
Team Canada.
All right, we made it to the beach. Aside from how it looked on that montage, I actually did pull the cart some of the way. But Andrew carried it for the majority. So the water's actually a little choppy. It's usually like glass this time in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock. So I don't know how the boat's gonna handle, so we'll get it out there either way. But you can see the dunes here. We like to launch off the dunes and drive through the sand. So either way, we'll have a fun bash. And there's no one here yet, so perfect. The RC cars usually draw quite a crowd. People gather around. Sometimes they clap. I feel a bit like a circus performer at times. With us today are two of our favorite beach bashers. These guys are awesome for hitting the sand dunes and the loose sand here. Got some big tires. These two and the Traxxas X-Max are our favorite bashers for the beach. But yeah, so this is the Laser Nut and this is the Losi LMT Gravedigger. And then of course we have the Pro Boat Sonic Wake to bash or splash out in the lake there. If you want to learn any more about these vehicles, check out the links in the description below. Or if you want to grab one for yourself from Big Boys, use the code SeeJayAre, all caps, to save money store-wide. So without further ado, so we've got the batteries in. Shout out to Jen's Ace for supplying these batteries for us. We're gonna test out the 4S Bashing Series battery, the 6800 milliamp in the Sonic Wake this time. Now this boat generally runs on 6S, but it's crazy and it gets super hot. So I'm gonna try it out on this 4S Jen's Ace battery today. Andrew, you hungry? Come here, let me wipe your face off. Come here, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Sorry. That was way worse than I thought it would be, sorry. Hey, wipe your mouth off. Sorry, buddy. Blame Kevin Talbot for that.
Keep that in the video.
Keep it in, he says, okay. Hit it hard. Oh. Andrew on the Gravedigger, one of his favorite vehicles. ton of fun in the sand. I got it. Great tires for the sand. This guy is so much fun in the sand dunes. Not the fast. Oh, you're lucky. I wasn't going to get that one. You can see it's got big bouncy tires. Just handles totally differently from anything else that we have. Pretty true to form to a standard monster truck from what I know. Just a ton of fun to drive. Like I said, I love owning unique RCs.
I can go like right there. And
Okay, do it right now. I'll jump from this way. Yeah, why don't you lay in there and face up with the camera? Record. Oh! Here, give me your hand. Okay, yeah, give me my phone. Oh, you have sand in your mouth. Give me your hands. Anything for the shot. Oh, that didn't work. Uh-oh. Nailed it. Nailed it. Man, this guy is so much fun. Oh! Alright. Time to get the Sonic Wake out. Well, just realizing I forgot to bring my loop back connector thing. So it's set up to use 2 batteries on. And I've only got the one, of course. So unfortunately, no Sonic Wake footage today. Anyways, Andrew and I had some good fun. I hope you enjoyed this quick bashing video at the beach. Stay tuned for more videos like this. As I said, if you are interested in any of these vehicles, check out the links in the description below to learn more or grab one for yourself. Links below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next episode.